Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Qtum coin. After the current drop, most of the cryptocurrencies, especially the altcoins, have formed the different harmonic moves, and Qtum is one of them. When we have the previous drop after the month of April 2021, Qtum formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal cipher move, and this time it has formed another cipher after the current drop. And this was the pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 1st of June when this leg was completed. The final leg of the cipher was completed. And you can see that the price line was moving inside the buying zone. Now I'm just going to play the chart. And you can see here a little bad thing happened that the price line for some time moved below the buying zone. It was in fact testing this 50 simple moving average support on the weekly time frame and reversed back, and this was more than 150% rally from this low at the very end of this buying zone and up to this high, because it rallied up to $19.30, and our target was from $15.83 to $24.41. Right now, after the current drop, Qtum has formed another harmonic cipher move. You can see that here we have this cipher move, and yesterday I shared this pattern for my members at the Patreon. And by the way, I'm also sharing different ideas here for my members, and if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. You can find there. By the way, this is not the cipher pattern. This time it has completed a harmonic bullish reversal shark move. Now you can see that the price line completed the leg, and at this time it is moving above the buying zone. So if there will be some correction, then it may give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And we also have a very strong support here at $4.40. But there is another very strong support before this support of $4.40. That is at $5.45. You can see this is the monthly time frame chart. And this $5.45 has been working as a very strong resistance here on the monthly time frame. And then here we had the next rejection, and once the price line broke out this resistance, then here the price line tested this previous resistance as a support, could not break it down, moved down again on the second candlestick, could not break it down. Then we had another very nice rally, and right now it is again likely to have another bounce by this support of the $5.45. And if we take a look at the RSI on this monthly time frame, then we can see that RSI is forming lower than previous low. Now if we take a look at the price line, here RSI formed this low, the price line formed this low, and here RSI formed a very big, there is a very big difference between this low, and this is quite low than the previous low. Now if we take a look at the price line, then still it is forming a higher low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence, a very big hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, there is a very high probability that once again the price line will be turned bullish from the potential reversal zone of this harmonic shark move. Now if we take a look at the targets for this reversal move, then our next expected target as per this chart are from $9.10 and goes to $15.77. However, the move is very big, and we also have a very big hidden bullish divergence on the monthly time frame. Therefore, it is possible that it can even cross up these sell targets as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and do support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.